One more,
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, right 4 into left 4. 40 to turn hairpin left tight, don't cut. And right 5 long. 80 to right 5. And right 2 long tightens, don't cut. Into right 3. And crest long middle. 80, right 5 and left 2. Plus. 40, right.
Slippery if you get off the line.
Here's your left. 40, right 4 plus 60, slowing for hairpin left. There's your hairpin. And right 4 plus. 40. Right 4.
Come on.
40. Left 5, half long tight. 80. Left 4 opens long and slowing for turn hairpin right tight. Into left 4, don't cut logs. Keep going. Left 4 logs, don't cut here. 100. Middle over junction into right 5, slippy continues into left 5 half long. And right 3, 80. Right 3 long tightens into right 4 plus. Into left 4. Care 40, left 1 over small crest, sudden turn right 7. 100. Right 3 plus long. 40. Right 3 plus over small crest 40. Right 5 opens long 40. Left 3 continues for 80, slowing for tight left 7, don't cut. 170 down the middle, right 4.
Which 4?
Right 4 tightens here, into right 5 half long tight.
Sorry, I'm talking about the top.
Sorry, keep going. 40, left 2, 100. Right 2, slippy over junction, 300 up the middle. Left 1 into right 3. And left 3 tightens long past junction. And right 3 slippy. 40 down to left 4 long slippy. And left 5 don't cut. 60 slowing for left 8 half long. 40. Right 1 into left 4 don't cut. 200. Middle over small crest bump middle again, then 300 downhill to left 2 plus into small crest middle into dip.
Say again, please.
Left 2 over, left 2 plus small crest dip 130. Right 3 through dip at Lone Tree. And left 2 over crest 100. Small crest into right 2 40. Small crest middle into right 3 tightens past junction into right 4. 130. Right 3 plus 40. Right 3 tightens long and left 3 into right 4 tightens past junction 150. Right 2 over small crest into left 4 plus continues and tightens for 100 slippy. Into left 7 half long tightens 100. Right 3 long, care, don't cut, 60, left 4, immediate right 4 past lane, 40, left 7 tight, logs on left, 450 up the middle. Into chicane, bus stop on the right hand side, so come in from the left hand side of the road, in and out of a lane. .300 after. Flat crest there, middle, then 650, island ahead. And when you come to the island, care, turn left 7 and right 8.
That's the funny junction, is it?
Yeah, triangle basically. Left 7, right 8 round island. Left 7, right 8 tightens.
Got it.
Yep. And left 4 over junction, 130. Left 5 plus. Long, 100. Left 2 and right 3, 150. Middle over small crest, 60. Down to right 4, downhill right 4. 130 after, slowing for turn, right 9 round Bales, and left into, yes, there's a funny one, right 9 round the Bales and left into right 3. .250, care ahead. There's a crest where the road disappears, middle of the road past junction, into left 7 plus. Then 450 down the middle. To finish, and the next bend is right 4, slowing. You're through, well done. Right 4 slowing, left 5 to stop.
Sorry, I drove like an absolute idiot doing that. That's the worst I've driven for God knows how long.
So it was a tricky stage that in a few places.
It's awful, awful.